Hello everyone, welcome in SQLite Help. In this video session, we are going to access SQLite DB from the Visual Studio Code. Now we will see how to execute the queries on SQLite DB from the Visual Studio Code. That is very easy. So open your Visual Studio Code and click here, and on this search box you have to type SQLite and then few results will appear. Now we have to select the particular extension or plugin which is SQLite, and you can see all the details of this plugin on the right hand side, and there is a button for the installation, so you can just click on this install button for the installation, and this will take 10 to 15 seconds for the complete installation. I would suggest every time when you install any plugin or extension, please restart Visual Studio Code and then come back and go to the view, click on this command palette, and right here you have to type SQLite. So you will get this option, select open database. So we are going to open a database file. As you know, SQLite DB is just like a file with a .SQLite extension or .db extension. So we have a just sample file, sample database.db. So we are going to open this here in this Visual Studio Code. So we have just selected with the Explorer and click here to open. Now within few seconds this will be loaded. Now we will change this search to the Explorer, and right here you will see at the bottom that SQLite Explorer is open. So just expand it and you will see the opened database file. When you expand, you can see all the tables, whatever inside the table. So whatever inside the database, so just click on any table and the data which is inside the table will display right here. So you can see there are 3 records, and if you have so many records, so you can view with this navigation button. And now you want to run some queries, do the right click and open the query tab. So here you can simply write some SQL queries for select, delete, update, whatever you want. Right now I am writing one select statement, select star from students. Students is our only table inside this, and do the right click, click on this run query. There is a shortcut as well, Control Shift plus Q. So you can execute the query with the help of this keyboard key combination. On the right hand side you will see the results. Also if you want to query only a name from this table, so you can write this query. Now you can see the results on right hand side. Now I am selecting the age only, so results on the right hand side appear when I will press the shortcut key combination. Now you can see the results on right hand side. So guys, this is the way you can query your database. Now we'll see how to export all the results in a CSV file. So click on this icon, and then this save as window will appear for you. So you have to simply give the name like data.csv and leave the save type .text and save it. And now we will see the saved file. Now I'm opening with the help of Excel. Now you can see whatever the results we have saved is appeared here in this Excel file. So in this way you can export your all the data or whatever this data came after executing the select statement. So this is the whole process. You can access your SQLite database, or you can perform some queries, select, update, delete inside your Visual Studio Code. I hope you guys found this video tutorial relevant and useful. Please like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And for now, thanks for watching SQLite Help.